600 million miles from the sun, on Saturn's largest moon, it is raining. Not water. The drops falling from Titan's thick orange sky are liquid methane, the same molecule that makes up the gasoline additive in your car, and they fall slow and heavy in gravity 1/7 of Earth's, drifting down like snow made of fuel. In January 2005, the European Huygens probe punched through those orange clouds and did something no human object had done. It landed on a world with weather. The cameras caught dark channels cut into orange ice, riverbeds shaped exactly like the ones carved by water on Earth, except every drop that carved them was rocket fuel. Scattered across the landing site were smooth, rounded pebbles of solid water ice, worn round the way river stones are worn round back home, tumbled for who knows how long in currents of liquid gasoline. We post 3 of these every day, so if a moon that rains flammable liquid got your attention, subscribe so you don't miss where this goes next. Because the rain doesn't just fall and vanish, it pools. Titan holds 3 seas of liquid methane and ethane, and the largest, Kraken Mare, stretches wider than Lake Superior, holding more liquid hydrocarbon than every oil reserve on Earth combined. The surface temperature sits at -179 degrees Celsius, cold enough that this liquid behaves the way water does here. It evaporates, forms clouds, rains back down, and cycles endlessly in a weather system that mirrors our own down to the shape of the clouds, just built from entirely different chemistry. Hit that notification bell too, because what scientists found next in this cycle is the real reason Titan keeps showing up in serious conversations about alien life. Deep beneath that orange ice, radar data suggests a hidden ocean of actual water, kept liquid by heat from Saturn's gravity squeezing the moon like a stress ball. That means Titan may be running 2 separate liquid cycles at once, one of methane on the surface, one of water underneath, stacked like a layer cake nothing else in the solar system has. That double cycle is exactly why NASA is sending a nuclear-powered, 8-bladed drone called Dragonfly to launch in 2028 and touch down on Titan's dunes in the mid-2030s. Its job is to sample the organic-rich sand piling up along those methane shorelines and test whether the chemistry brewing there has already crossed the line from complex molecules into something that behaves like the first ingredients of life, just built from liquid gasoline instead of water. If it has, the moon-raining fuel might turn out to be the closest thing we've found to a second Genesis. Comment below if you think Dragonfly finds something waiting in that orange rain.